Moving on, you have H, ha, he, he, ho, ho, right? That's H, for example, ihaba, exaggeration. Let's add an L to it. You produce hla. For example, hlabela, sing. Add an N, you now have nhla, inhlanhla, luck. Okay. J is straightforward. It's simply ja, je, ji, jo, ju. Right. Jabula, be happy. But if you add N, you now have nja. Njanje, njinjo, nju. Inja. Win, it's a dog. Okay. K. K standing on its own also has two different pronunciations. It's either ga, ge, gi, go, gu. Remember when I was saying ngagini, that's the ga we're talking about. Ngagibo. And it, even when you say kakhulu, very much, ngiyakutanda kakhulu, that's the K. But it can also be ka, ke, ki, ko, ku, ikama, a com, iketane, a chain, college, a college. All right. Let's add an H to the K. Ka, ke, ki, ko, ku. Ukhulu, grandfather. The full word is ubabamkhulu. Okay. Nka is when we add an N and produce a word like inkomo. And it nkanke, nkinko, nku. Add an L, produce ka. Kabalala, scream. Ka, ke, ki, ko, ku. All right. So that's the K. The L is straightforward in Ndebele. It's simply la, le, li, lo, lu. Ilambazi, porridge. What else? Loba. It means write. It's the other word for writing. And it uguloba. Great. Then we have M. M again simple. Mame, mi, momu, umama. And it imota. That's M. So when you add B after the M, you produce mba. Mba, mbe, mbi, mbombu. Mbai, mbai, later. Imbiza, a pot. Imbeo, seedlings. Okay, right. Then we have N. Nane, nino, no. Inombolo, a number. I need. That's N. If you add, let's add D after the N. We forgot that when we spoke about the D. So you can have ND, which is nda. Ndande, ndindo, ndu. Indoda, a man. Indumba, beans. All right. Let's move on to the P. Standing on its own like this, we have pa. Pa, pe, pi, po, u. Upopai, a cartoon. But when you add M before the P, mpa. Mpa, mpe, mpimpo, mpu. Impama, a slap. Okay. Let's add an H. That's where we produce pa. Pa, pe, pi, po, pu. Phakathi, inside. Okay. We also have the Q. Qa, iqanda, an egg. Iqembu, a team. Qaqe, qiqo, qu. And then when you add H, you produce qa. Qa, qe, qi, qo, qu. Iqude, a rooster. And it add N before the Q. Nga. Nga, nge, ngi, ngo, ngu. For example, inqola. And it G and Q produce qa. For example, isigqoko. Qa, qe, qi, qo, qu. Add an N before that, you have nga. Ingqabutho. Nga, nge, ngi, ngo, ngu. Let's move on to the S. Simple again. It's sa, se, si, so, su. For example, isipho, a gift. If you add N before the S, you have nsa. insimbi. Nsan, sen, sin, so, nsu. Okay. Moving on to the T. Standing on its own like this is just ta. Itiye. Ta, te, ti, to, tu. But when you add the H, you produce a stronger sound. Ta. Ta, te, ti, to, tu. Tutuga. Develop. Tata. Take. Okay. Let's add an N before the T and we produce nta. Nte. Nti. Nto. Ntu. Okay. Intundla is a giraffe. V is straightforward. Ivigi, angithi. Vala. Vala, it means close. And then vula, open, angithi. Then when you add M before the V, you have yourself mva, mve, mvi, mvo, mvu. For example, imvu, a sheep, and the young one is called imvana. W is one of the simple ones. It just stands as wa, we, wo, wo. Womana means hallucinate or say things that don't make sense. Let's talk about the X in Ndebele, which gives the A sound. A, a frog. Move to cha when you add an H. It's now cha. Cha, Isiphenqe. It's extra teeth. Have you ever seen people that have teeth on top of other teeth? We call those iziphenqe. Then if you add an N, you produce nqa. Nqa, nxe, nqi, nqo, nqu. Inxele means the left hand. Okay. G and X produce ba. Goba. Step on something or someone. That is ba. Ba, go, go. All right. We can also add an N before the ba and we produce a nqa, nxe, nci, nqo, nqu. Ingxoxo, a dialogue. Y is simple. Ya, ye, yi, yo, you. Iyezi, a cloud. Add an N before the Y, you now have nya, nye, nyi, nyo, nyu. Inyoni, a bird. Z, zaze, zizo, zu. Izambane is a groundnut. You can add N before the Z, you produce nzanze, nzinzo, nzu. For example, inzipho, the fingernails, the nails. I hope it makes sense, right? You can use this guide you can come back to it when you need to verify some pronunciations. And I wish you the best in your Ndebele learning. See you next time.